In the last video, we explained why the developer believes the project should have been approved under the existing zoning rules without CEQA. Now let's look at how city officials responded and why the developer says those responses went beyond what the code requires. City review letters in the court record shows officials did not treat the project as a simple checklist approval. First, the use itself. City staff pointed out that the term data center is not specifically listed in the zoning code. Because of that, they suggested the project might require additional land use approvals, like a zoning code change. The developer's position, however, is that the code already allows similar and more intensive industrial uses in that same zone, and that data centers fit within the category of research and professional office uses. The lawsuit says that the developer repeatedly asked the city to apply its similarity of use rules, which allow unlisted uses that are comparable to listed ones. Second, environmental and infrastructure questions. City staff raised concerns about traffic, air quality, noise, and water supply, the kinds of topics that usually are studied under CEQA. The developer says that those issues were already addressed at the zoning level and that site plan review is supposed to focus on objective standards like building placement and height, not broader policy decisions. Third, site design and frontage. City reviewers also asked for changes related to where buildings would sit on the property and suggested adding commercial frontage along the highway. The developer argues that those requests went beyond standard industrial site plan checks and introduced new design expectations that weren't required by the zoning rules. So from the city's perspective, the project involved discretionary planning decisions. From the developer's perspective, the city was adding new layers of review that didn't apply under the code. That difference, whether the city was following its rules or expanding them, is now a key issue for the federal court to decide. In the next part, we'll look at another major dispute in the case, the fight over reclaimed water.